Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have something so cute for you, and it's very, very budget friendly because almost everything is from Dollar Tree. For this Halloween door swag, you're going to need one Dollar Tree cute candy corn trick-or-treat sign, and right now Dollar Tree has out some of the cutest signs for fall and Halloween. I just love the little candy corn, and it looks like it would cost way more than $1.25. You're going to need some of the Halloween shatterproof ornaments. You're going to need 2 of the pumpkin picks from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow, and you're going to need 2 of the Dollar Tree Halloween trees. This is one of the easiest door swags to make. You don't have to have any experience making wreaths to make this door swag. It is super cute and easy. So I just took the trees out of the package, removed the little piece that was on the end. All you're going to need is the trees, so you're just going to fluff and shape your 2 little Christmas trees, and you don't have to worry about the back because you'll want the back of the tree to be flat, so just fluff it to the left, to the right, and to the top. And you're also going to need some zip ties, and here's how they look when you get them fluffed. Next, we're going to be making a little swag, so place 1 on the left, 1 on the right, overlapping the stems, and overlap them quite a bit, and then you're going to zip tie the 2 trees together. Make sure you get your zip ties nice and tight. Then I'm moving over to the left and making sure that some of the branches are in between the zip ties. So 1 in the middle, 1 on the left, and 1 on the right. So 3 zip ties total to hold my little swag together. Next, you're going to want to trim off the extra part of the zip tie that just sticks straight up. And now you have a cute Halloween swag that you could decorate any way you want. And remember, you can make these swags for any season or holiday. And there's my little helper, Mr. Parker. Now we're going to be using the pumpkin picks. I am going to be using some 4-inch clear cable ties to attach my pumpkin picks to my swag. So I'm placing 1 at the top and just going to zip tie it to my little swag. These little pumpkin picks are so cute, and they also come in orange and black. And then I added a second zip tie at the bottom so that it would make sure and stay straight up and down in line with my swag. Same steps for the bottom. So I put 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom and just zip tied it to my little swag. I hope you are enjoying watching me make this Halloween door swag. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, make sure you share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. Here's how it looks with the pumpkin pick, 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. Now you could add 2 pumpkin picks to the top and 2 to the bottom if you want. Now I'm tying a bow, so let out a tail, about a 6 or 8 inch tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand. Go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, then just go back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side until you get the bow the size you want. And I did add 2 more colors of ribbon, and this is wired ribbon. You'll want to use wired ribbon. It's just easier to work with. The bow will hold its shape, and I just love the way it looks. I did tie 2 bows. I tied a smaller one and this size one, so I guess a medium and a small for this swag, because the Halloween trees are not that big, so you don't want too big a bow, because I really wanted the focus to be that cute candy corn sign. The striped ribbon and the solid orange ribbon came from Sam's Club. I haven't been to Sam's Club yet. I don't know if they have their Christmas ribbon out yet or not. If you've been to Sam's Club and you know, let me know if they have Christmas ribbon out, because I love to buy their ribbon because it's such a great deal. Just remember, when you're tying your bows, try to make your loops the same size on each side. Now with the last color of ribbon, I just did 2 loops Instead of 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, I just did 1 on the left and 1 on the right. And I believe I bought this cute pumpkin ribbon on clearance last Halloween, after Halloween, from Michael's. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel where I talk you step by step through the process. I even have a bow tutorial playlist that I can link for you in the description box. Now I'm taking a zip tie and making sure and getting it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Now if you don't have a zip tie, you can use floral wire. Now I'm dovetailing the ends, so fold the tail in half, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow, or you can just cut it at a slant. It's up to you. I also wanted to mention that right now Dollar Tree has out some pretty Halloween ribbon. It is like a velour or velvet texture. You only get, I think, like 1 yard on a roll or something like that, so it's a small amount, but Dollar Tree really does have some pretty ribbon out for Halloween. Make sure you fluff and shape your bow. I like to stick my hand in each loop and open it up, and then sometimes it just takes a little bit of time to get the bow shaped just like you want. And then here's how it looks, and I love using different colors and patterns when I'm making bows. To attach my sign, I found these. They're called cable tie mounts, and I bought a big package on Amazon. So just make sure you read the reviews before you order and make sure you're getting the size you want. And they just stick right on to the back of your sign. And then I usually add some hot glue around it just to make sure it stays on. So I'm using some Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I have mine set on the low temp setting. So I add extra hot glue, and then I'll take a pipe cleaner in just a little bit after it has time to dry. That way I can use it to attach it to my door swag. I have ordered these in 2 sizes. This is the smaller size, and both sizes work well. So next I'm just going to set my sign aside and let the glue have time to dry. Here's the pipe cleaners that I'll use in just a little bit to attach it. And then next I'm tying the smaller bow for the top. So same steps, just going to make this one smaller. And here's how my 2 Halloween bows look. Now I've let the glue have time to dry, so I'm just threading a pipe cleaner through the top cable timeout and a pipe cleaner through the bottom cable timeout. And this makes it so easy to attach your signs to your wreaths. Okay, so we're going to take our sign, and I am just going to thread the pipe cleaners around the little door swag, the little tree, then go to the back of the tree, twist the pipe cleaners, and cut them off short. Now, if you notice at the top of this candy corn sign, you could thread some wires through it to be able to hang it up on your door. I ended up using my bow wires, but I think that would have been a better option. Or you could possibly use these pipe cleaners to make a loop to hang your door swag up. It's up to you, however you want to do it. I'm just giving you some ideas. For the bottom, I just took the bottom pipe cleaner, threaded 1 pipe cleaner on the left side of the tree, 1 on the right side of the tree. Then I went to the back of the little swag, gave the pipe cleaners a few twists, then cut them off short and folded them down. You'll have to let me know what you think so far of this little Halloween door swag. Isn't it simple to make? So we just made a door swag out of 2 little trees. We added 2 pumpkin picks. Now we're adding a sign and 2 little bows. So here's how it looks with the trick or treat sign attached. Then now I'm just taking a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, threading it underneath my zip tie, and that way I can easily attach my bow to my door swag. So I'm threading the wire under the zip tie, and this is just 20 gauge floral wire. Then I'm going to take the bigger one and put it at the bottom. So I'm threading it through the little trees, 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side of the tree. Then I'm pulling it nice and tight, going to the back, twisting the wires. Then I'm going to cut them off short and fold them down and fluff and shape my bow. Make sure your pumpkin pick still shows. And then I'm going to do the same with the smaller one, I'm going to add it to the top. Make sure when you add your bows that you're threading your wires through the little trees, because you don't want to fold the branches and change the shape of your swag. So thread the wires through, then go to the back, twist the wires a few times, cut them off short, and fold them down. Now with this wire, I did make a loop to hang mine up on my door, and then to the back, I just added a little bit of hot glue so that the wire would not move. And here's how the door swag looks with the bow on the top of the candy corn sign and the bow on the bottom, and I think it just looks adorable. You'll have to let me know what you think. I think this is one of my favorite Halloween DIYs that I have ever made. I did take a few of the shatterproof Halloween ornaments, and I added 1 to the center of each bow. I just hot glued them to the center of the bows. Make sure you go back and fluff and shape your bows. Make sure that your tails of your bows are hanging just like you want, and make sure that your little Christmas tree is showing on the left side of the sign and the right side of the sign. And now you have a easy and beautiful Halloween door swag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.